If you can tell from the box, from the open box of cool things, I got some stuff, and it's from, ta-da, from NBT Clothing, which if you don't know, they make protective gear for riding, lined pants, or armored jackets, armored sweatshirts, you know, just cool stuff. Awesome company. I got myself, I'm going to put these on, do they actually have the names on them right here? They are, nope. So, whatever. This is hard to do one-handed. These bags are super nice though, by the way. Like, I appreciate companies that have nice packaging for things because, well, you know, you're never going to save it for anything, but it's, I guess you could probably use it for something, but it's super nice. We get NBT. This is, oh god, the like armor or whatever you want to call it for the back of the jacket. We're going to put that over there. Usable, but not the most important thing. It's hard to do one-handed too. And we've got the armored jacket. I'm going to put the name of everything, or like the two things on here. I'm going to lie. This is super nice. There's armor in the shoulders, the elbow. That back thing can go in the back. There is... I swear, if I had like 3 arms, this would be so much easier to do. But I don't, because I'm not a mutant. Come on. But, you know, lined inside, you've got a nice inside pocket over here. You've got a nice little pocket for the actual armor, or whatever you want to call it, right there. And then somewhere in here, yeah, there's the thing, so you can actually put the back protector in. Very, very nice. And they are over 50% of motorcycles ride unprotected. We're changing that statistic one piece of NBT clothing at a time. Our mission is to help every rider stay safe. But blah, 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 blah. It's just a nice jacket. Like, if you look at it, it's just, if you're going somewhere and you want to wear, like, still wear gear, but not be, you know, in your branded, whatever, motorcycle jacket, you could wear this. It's a black jacket. It doesn't look, you know, like, yeah, there's the elbow protection. It doesn't look like a heavy-duty motorcycle jacket. You could take this to, you know, hey, I'm going on a date night and I don't want to look like I'm really trying to show off that I've got a motorcycle. You can wear this. It's a super nice jacket. Awesome job. Do you call these guys, what do you call these? Is it flight tags, key tags, whatever like they are? I'm probably never going to use this, not going to lie, because I like to have as much or as little on my pocket as possible, so maybe I'll give this away. We'll talk about that. I also got some riding pants, which, again, super, super nice packaging. I really actually do like these bags. They're, for what they are, Jesus, they make this really hard, but this is like, it's like Alcatraz, man, trying to get just something out of a bag. Bet you already sealed it. No? Okay. This is like the worst thing ever. We have more protection, more, I don't know, there's a name for this. I'm gonna look it up and I'll put it in the video here. There's like an actual name for this. It's like some class or whatever. They have it probably listed on their website, but more, there's 2 in here. Yeah, there's 2 in here. There's your knee protection. And then we're gonna do it with my foot. Hiya! Ta-da! Some just, I mean, like, you look at this, right? You could wear these anywhere. They're just black jeans. They don't look like super heavy duty, like, riding pants. They're not, you don't have to wear a full leather suit and then be walking around super awkwardly in a leather suit. Oh, there it is. The Stalwart Men's Straight Cut. And, ta-da! Look at that. Lined. There is, obviously, little zippers right here that you can put the actual armor in. This is just super cool. I mean, this is kind of funny enough. This was like 2 weeks after I got rear-ended. They messaged me. They don't know this. So it's kind of funny that afterwards, I got this, but I am getting a bike. That's coming up soon. You know, I always wear a jacket, but now having like lined pants and protective pants is going to be super nice when I start riding again. And you just got to say, awesome job, to these people for making cool products. In the description below, there's going to be the link to everything. I'm going to try and, like I said, get the actual term for what these are, like what class and everything. And I'm going to link the two, or at least tell you that's the Stalwart straight line jeans. And then I don't remember what this one is, what the name of it is, but I'm going to put it either here or when I took the jacket out. But super cool of them to, message me and say, hey, do you want some gear? Awesome job, awesome company, great products. I mean, these jeans, I did try them on. I'm not gonna lie, I did try this stuff on. So I did repackage it just for the video. If you've gotten this far, you'll know a little secret. But like, they're very nice. They're very comfortable, lined, like I said, and then they're just great jeans. Like, they don't look like gear, which is a lot like. Super nice package too, or like padding, whatever you want to call it. But like a lot of the gear, you're either going to be wearing full leather, or it's like super obvious that you're wearing like padded stuff, and these just look like normal black jacket, normal black jeans, but you can wear them while riding and be protected, which is obviously a big portion of, or a big part that you need to do. Like, let's be honest, I've crashed myself once and been rear-ended once now, and crashing sucks. So having some gear, especially pants, like I normally just wear jeans, like normal jeans, whatever. So having actual lined, armored pants is going to be not nice, but like that extra little peace of mind that you don't have to worry about. If you do go down, you're not going to be losing a bunch of skin. And it is one of those things, if you ride, you should be wearing gear. Like, it's just, there's no reason not to. Wear your gloves, wear your helmet, wear, jeans, especially armored jeans. Wear jackets that have armor in the elbows, armor in the shoulders, back protectors. Because as much as you think, nah, I'm not going to crash, I won't get hurt, it happens out of nowhere. I crashed myself, just hit some dirt and, slid, and then getting rear-ended. You have absolutely no control over the situation. So awesome job to these guys for making good products. They're super comfortable. Like I said, yes, if you watched this far in the video, you'll know I have actually tried these on. And yes, they are very comfortable. They're just super nice. And thank you to NBT again for reaching out, talking to me about this, sending this stuff out. I'm going to be making some TikTok content, some reel content, whatever, some shorter stuff. And hopefully you guys, if you like the look of this stuff, go down in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to the website for the two products, or even just the website in general. Probably be easier, because that way you can see all of it for whatever you want, and then you don't have to worry about searching for everything. But like I said, go to their website, check out their stuff. If you need anything armor related, pants, they're super comfortable. I'm not lying to you. Like I said, if I'm ever going to try out products, I'm going to tell you my honest opinion, because if I say, hey, these pants are awesome, and you buy them and they suck, well, then it looks bad on me, and there's no point in reviewing anything, because you're not going to trust it. So they are super comfortable. They fit great. I like them. So that's what it is. Like, I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys if I get anything to review. I haven't ridden, obviously, because we're missing something. We'll have a video about that at some point. But like I said, description below. Check out their website. Check out their socials, Insta, TikTok. I don't know if they're all whatever. Well, all the links will be down in the description below. Go tell them that I sent you. And yeah, with that, I'll see y'all later. Oh, before, if you've gotten this far, make sure you've already watched this far. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.